Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change language in Honda Fit Gp5. Start by powering the vehicle and turning on the infotainment screen, then access the main settings menu immediately. Use the touchscreen or steering wheel controls to navigate to the system or display settings. I will walk you through selecting language options, confirming changes, and troubleshooting common issues so you can restore your preferred language quickly and confidently. Begin at the home screen and tap Settings to access system preferences. Look for a menu labeled System, Display, or General depending on your software version. Use touchscreen arrows or steering buttons to enter language selection. If prompted, confirm your choice and allow the system a few seconds to update both menus and meter displays. If the change does not apply, repeat the steps and ensure the vehicle is not in a restricted mode. Navigate to Language in the system settings and scroll through available choices until you find the desired language. Tap the language name, then confirm the selection to apply changes to menus and voice prompts. If the display remains unchanged, try restarting the infotainment unit or cycling the ignition off and on. I will also share quick fixes for missing languages and how to reset to factory defaults if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.